Good day everyone, this is Isobs and ito yung yung problem number 2 sa normal stresses, which is this. And yan, a homogeneous 800 kilogram bar AB is supported at either end by a cable shown in figure P105. Ito yon. Calculate the smallest area of each cable if the stress is not to exceed 90 megapascal in bronze and 120 megapascal in steel. So first of all, isulat na muna natin yung given and required natin para alam natin kung paano natin siya isa-solve. So given natin, meron tayong 800 kilogram bar. So 800 kilogram bar, AB. Yan ang weight ng AB. Then, ano pa? Smallest area of each cable is the stress. Oh, so, sa natin, ang stress natin sa bronze is equal to 90 megapascal. Then sa steel naman, 120 ST equal to 120 megapascal. So required natin is yung smallest area of each cable. So dalawang area yung hahanapin natin sa steel and sa bronze. So gawin natin ng FBD yung problem para mas maintindihan natin tong image na to. So this is the 800 kilogram bar. So may pababa siya na mass which is 800 kilograms. So para mahanap natin yung weight niya is multiply natin yung mass times acceleration which is the gravitational pull. So the weight is equal to 800 times 9.81 meters per second squared. So that will be 7,848 kilogram meters per second squared. Or just 7,848 newtons. So yan yung force natin pababa. Then dito, from this problem, may point A tayo dito. So ito yung point A, then ito yung point B. Then may load tayo na tension which is the bronze. So katawagin na lang nating PBR. Then ito yung PST natin. So yan. From this, mag-summation of forces tayo along y-axis. So pataas is positive. So PBR plus PST is equal to 7,848. So yan. Since alam natin na equal ang PBR and PST, pwede nating palitan yung PBR ng PST. So palitan natin siya dito. This will be PST. So therefore 2 PST na to is equal to 7,848 newtons. So PST is equal to 7,848 divided by 2 newtons, which will be 3,924. So PST natin is 3,924. Then equal yung dalawa ulit. So PBR din is 3,924. So note natin siya. This is 3,924 newtons. Then this is 3,924 newtons. So nakuha na natin yung values ng load each. So start tayo for the bronze. Sa bronze is gamitin natin yung formula na ito. O is equal to P over A. So OBR, PBR, and ABR. So OBR is alam natin from the given na 90 megapascal or alam natin na ang megapascal will be Newton per millimeter squared. So yan na lang gamitin natin. So 90 Newton per millimeter squared is equal to PBR natin is 3,924 newtons. Then, ang ABR natin, yan yung hinahanap natin. Kasi yan yung smallest area required of each cable. So, ABR, 43.6. So, ang area natin for the bronze, smallest area natin is 43.6 millimeter squared. So, yan yung first area na hinahanap. So, proceed tayo sa steel. So, for steel, gamitin ulit natin yung formula na O steel is equal to P steel over A steel. So, O steel, alam natin na the given, that would be 120 Newton per millimeter squared is equal to PST natin is 3,924 din. So, over AST. Yan yung hinahanap. So, input ulit natin sa calculator. That would be 32.7. So, AST natin or area for steel is 32.7 millimeter squared. So, yan na yung nakuha na natin yung dalawang required na smallest area for each cable. So, sa bronze, ang area niya is 43.6 millimeter squared and sa steel is 32.7 millimeter squared.